morning. Mm, how are you
Yes,
doing
how?
today?
Yes, I'm fit as Fidel, exceptionally well, and I am thrilled in front of you
Okay, it's my pleasure.
to have this session. So, first, before kicking off our conversation, I would like to thank you to have session with you accepting my request, and we have the I have the session with you. Really, I am delighted.
Okay, it's my pleasure, ma'am. Thank you so much on coming on my channel. And since we are having this meeting at a very first time, so I would like you to introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I am Vanita. I am from Odisha. And born and brought from Odisha. So I feel proud that I am a citizen of Odisha, a part of Odisha. So about me, I am a homemaker. I blessed with two children. And about my qualification, I have completed my MA twice. Apart from that, B.Ed and CTET qualified.
Okay.
Then, yeah, then about my hobbies, I have so many hobbies because I try to uh, engage myself new creative skills. So as a homemaker, I have whenever I get time, I try to engage myself new reading newspaper, doing yoga, and driving car, and listening music, dancing, stitching as well. These are a little bit. And nowadays I'm passionate about to learn this language, so I give too much time to improve my l- speaking skill, English speaking skill. So I practice with my co-learner, and face the camera also, it is very necessary. It helps to reduce our hesitance. So it is my journey, that is. Yes.
Okay, good to know, ma'am. Yeah, so shall I introduce myself?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, as you know, my name is Prachi. I belongs to UP. Currently, I have been living in Bangalore with my husband and son. If I'm talking about my qualification, I have completed my master's in mathematics, and nowadays I'm trying to brush up my communication. Because of that, I created my channel named English with Consistency, where I keep uploading these kind of conversation videos. So this is pretty much about me.
Yes, really. The your news, your channel name is very unique because everyone name their channel according to their name. But it is consistency is very necessary in this language journey. So it is very nice, really.
Yeah, actually, I felt like this that if you maintain your consistency, so you can learn this language.
Yes, really.
Yeah, so ma'am, you have completed your MA twice.
MA in two different subjects political science and rural development.
Okay, and after then you completed your B.Ed as well.
B.Ed, then CTET, both paper.
Okay, so now you are learning this language because in the coming years you want to be teacher, I think.
Yes, because of that. But last year I attempted that regular exam KVS for KVS.
KBS, okay.
But as a homemaker, we are wearing so many hats and our plate is full always. So I didn't give that much time for preparation. Now, if I get the chance in private schools, I will do.
Yeah. Because and nowadays, not nowadays, actually getting a government job is not a cakewalk. We
Yes,
Yeah, we have to put our heart and soul into that. And after
yes.
it is not we are not sure that we are going to get any position in any rank in that kind of exam.
Really, actually, nowadays competition is very high,
Right.
and little bit mark like point mark, 1 mark, the candidates are not qualifying. So it is
Yes.
the tough, really. Though we have lots of qualifications, but due to hard um, hard selection, procedure of selection, we are not getting that chance.
Get chance.
And you know that reservation also.
Reservation also there.
Ah, we have that qualification, but though they have reservation like other, they are not knowing that much. But about they are not good at their education, but
Yeah.
they got really. So it is also affects our generation.
Yeah. So, ma'am, after getting married, did you continue your journey?
Yes, after getting married. Actually, before during marriage, I was not completed BA
Oh
that
my
time, final year that time, but I was stopped. After
God.
I can say I completed BA for 6 year, within 6 year, because already I completed 2 years. Finally, I got married. Then again started my BA for from the
First
first year.
semester.
Huh,
Okay.
from the beginning, first year, second year, and final year. That's why. So I didn't continue that time. So after that, MA, then again MA, then CTET. Like this, I didn't stop my study.
Yeah.
Yes, I continue, and I enjoy this really, without wasting time. Because, like, if our mind is empty, so that evil thoughts come
Hmm.
really. So I engage with my study and I enjoy, and really I experience that when I study, it affects my children also. They also follow me, and they also study. My Yes, my mother is studying, so I we are also so like this.
But it is not a easy task. We can say in a very easy way that, but when it comes to doing all these things in a real life, so it is not easy at all.
Really. And we that time I have to manage my children. They were small, and my in-laws, and new that time, so it was very hard not to crack, really. Yes.
But you are trying to crack it.
Yes, really. But it is my weakness. If I have any exam in future, then anyhow I try my best. That
Hmm.
is my weakness, really. And by God grace, I get success also with good marks,
Good
good
mark.
position. Yes.
And
So now I have only certificates, and
certificate.
I enjoying this language journey now.
Yeah. But ma'am, somewhere down the line, definitely you will get chance, and you will be a teacher also. And still you are trying.
Yes, let's see what happen. It is only blessings of God.
Yeah. And how long
Yes.
you have been learning this language?
Now, I have started. I have been starting this language last 8 months, I can say. First, I started by listening the conversation videos. After that, with started speaking with core learners. Initially, I unable to speak a single line and facing the camera. Even you don't believe that a record one single sentence. How can I record? I thought that, and facing camera, you felt that nervousness in my face that time. But now it is slowly I have to manage myself and overcome this nervousness.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. And it reduced only by experience and by practice only.
Yeah. By practicing. Yeah. Right.
Ma'am, actually, I want to say your voice is very low.
And I
Very
am.
low. I hear, but very low.
Yeah.
And I also check my laptop, but it is also volume 100%. So I don't know. It maybe a network glitch. That's why it happens.
Yeah, I don't know actually.
Yes.
My phone volume is also 100%.
Yes, 100%. What happens?
Yeah. Okay, so ma'am, just tell me, how do you practice on
Yes,
practice?
actually, when I started, we are so much curious to with co-learners. We are so much curious to learn this language. Any free time, we were practicing, and I also practiced a lot, like listening the conversation videos, go to YouTubers like Nandagopalan sirs.
Okay.
I It inspires me a lot, and I watched, and the way of teaching, that what new word he taught, that fixed my mind really. One word first I learned, appealing, appealing.
Yeah.
Yes, interesting. Then magnanimous means generous.
Yeah.
Yes, and other thing, some idioms also. Every cloud has silver lining. So like
Mm.
this, I can't miss. I couldn't miss her conversation videos. But now I practice a lot in by co-learners, with my co-learners.
Hmm.
Listening conversation video is necessary. After that, we are doing the storytelling. We
Hmm.
then picture description. We collected some idioms and made the stories. Really,
Yeah.
that is also helpful. But because we are not, it is not our native language. When we habituate with this, so it takes time. For new word, I also feel very overwhelmed in my mind, that how can I use. But repeatedly, I when I use, then it is easy for me. Now it is piece of cake for me.
For me, yeah. Actually, you mentioned that when so many words are there, idiom, phrasal verb, and when we make a story by using them, so easily we can store those idioms, phrasal verb in our mind for a long period of time. And
Yes.
I also practice in same way, because earlier I used to suppose one idiom is there, so I used to make one sentences. But I feel that 2 3 days, after 2 3 days, somewhere I am forgetting that
Yes,
particular
yes,
word.
really.
But if you,
Yes.
yeah, but on the contrary, if you make a story by using 4 5 words, so I think that words you can store in your mind for long period of time.
Yes, really, it works really. After making the story, when we talk to you other co-learners, it is bound to use it. Otherwise, it is not. It doesn't work really to fix our mind. So
Yeah.
I got that co-learners, they are so practicing. I also practicing. So like this, I able to remember some idioms and
Hmm.
some new words as well.
Yeah, because I asked you that how do you practice, because everyone have a different way of practicing.
Yes,
Yeah, some people prefer to read, some person prefer to listen more and more. So I think everyone have a different way of learning.
yes, you are right. Because about me, listening helps a lot for me. No doubt, I earlier, as I mentioned, I like to read a newspaper, but I didn't understand. Only read, because reading practice is very good for mind, mental health, and as well as uh, mm, gain some knowledge. That's why I was reading the newspaper, but I didn't catch the idioms, that new words. Actually, one article, if you read, that took 1 hour maybe, thoroughly, because we don't know that advanced words and idioms. So I searched from Google, then I wrote that like this. But by practicing this, speaking this, with my friends, I got the idioms. Now I recognize the, yes, it is the idiom, it is the new word like, and I got. Before that, it is piece of cake means piece of cake. What is this?
What
I
is
thought yes.
yeah. Initially,
So
we feel that our pay attention go to real cake. Okay, it would be
yes, that is
yeah.
the problem. So I didn't understand the meaning of that. So I feel irritated also that time. Because piece of cake, why in this sentence piece of cake is used? Yes, that
Yeah,
is.
because some people are there who have started their journey from a beginning level. They are beginner, so they get confused at how to start. And if some advice to them that okay, you should start with speaking and other ways. But I think they should find out their own way, what
Yes,
they
yes. Yes, because where we are comfortable, we can find our own way to learn something, how to catch the new words,
yeah
how to communicate others, how to share our thoughts, the medium of the speaking. So
speaking.
it is up to us really.
And
And about my opinion really,
Mhm.
I don't fond of that idioms, new words, and advance. Only I think simple communication is necessary. How to communicate the in front of the other person, understand, that is necessary.
Yeah,
But nowadays it is trend to use these words to
but I
make sentence beautiful.
beautiful, but I think if you are comfortable, that you can able to form any sentence in a simple way, and you have
Yes,
post this criteria. So after then you can learn new phrasal verb to make more beautiful your conversation. But first
yes.
your sentence and structure.
And one thing I say you, I didn't share anyone. I just sent
Okay.
you in your video.
Yeah, so it's
Actually,
being
I joined in one sir's grammar class for 3 months maybe. See, he was given so many synonyms and idioms, but I couldn't understand really. Now I recalled that sentences like piece of cake, delighted, GP, over the moon, and new words. So I thought, what is, when I listened, what is that spend penny, money, penny, yes, spend penny, it has another meaning, not spending the money,
but
that
yeah.
is. So I was confused that time because I was in beginner level.
Hmm.
Now I thought I worked hard on it this nowadays. But if I worked hard that time when sir taught me, that time it was easy for me to use these sentences. He always told that you use while you making sentences like, but it was new for me that time because sometimes when new things fix our mind, when we start the new, it we face difficulties really.
Yeah, initially we start with the small things.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, just I'm saying when we start learning anything, not only this language but also anything which is new for us. So we should start with a small step.
Yes, small step. So
Yeah, and
really, but now it is easy for me. I sometimes I open that copy because he already I jot down that time.
yeah.
So yeah, yes,
So
synonyms, other things.
initially, have you taken coaching for this language?
Ma'am, come again.
Yeah, I am asking that for learning this language, have you taken coaching as well?
Yes, 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 with a teacher. First learning, I learned grammar. After
Okay.
that, I also joined in offline spoken English class for
Okay.
3 months. Yes,
Okay.
that
Okay.
was also not workable for me.
Okay. Okay.
But practicing with co-learner, it works for me,
Yeah.
really.
So after joining any online, offline class, you didn't find any change in your communication.
Little bit slowly it changes, but not satisfied. Still I'm not satisfied, but at least I communicate to other.
Yeah.
That time I sentence formation, I faced many difficulties, so I skip some words and maybe verbally. And really real thing is, as we discussed, simple sentence is very necessary. So that offline class, they are teaching some advanced words. That was also new for me, so I faced so many difficulties. First we make the sentence very simple, after that we add some advanced, some idioms. It is easy, it is the new really process. But if we are not suddenly jump the advance, that
Uh-huh.
was very difficult.
Yeah, actually, I totally agree with you. I think we should start like I go to school. Yeah, he goes
Yes,
to school with small
yes.
sentences.
Children are playing.
Yeah, and
Yes,
yeah, we are playing. Uh,
yes,
we played so that we can understand what is different, present, past, future, and after then we add extra word, advanced word, step by step.
yes. Really, it is the way of learning, really.
Uh,
And no doubt we don't go for deep in grammar, but what is necessary for
hmm,
communication, the basic thing we have to know, really.
yeah. Actually, ma'am,
Yes.
we are talking otherwise, so we decided that today we would discuss the city on city.
City, yes, yes. We can go
Yeah,
ahead, really.
only
So
5 minutes
about
left, so yeah, we can discuss
yes, yes, yes. And now we are jump to our topic. Really, it is interesting our cities.
our city.
So because I also like to explore many places, many states and cities. Really, so my city is Bhubaneswar. It is a city temple of India. It has so many ancient temples, really. And it has good health facilities, education facilities, and it is full of greenery, and roads are clean. So cleaning and sanitation system also good, really. So about the temples, there are 1000 year old temples, ancient temples are there, and I visited there.
Okay.
And 60 kilometer far, Puri Dham is there here. Jagannath Dham, you hear,
Yeah, yeah.
among the four dhams. Really, it was very, when I go there, I feel very peaceful. And Konark Sun Temple also there here.
Okay.
Konark Sun Temple. And other thing about medical facilities, there are AIMS also here. And
Okay.
so many government hospitals, private hospitals are there. Well, health facilities they provide. So airport also here, so it is good communication. And railway, and every city we can go. And now it is decorated by the government, really. So um, it is maybe in future our India's largest railway station it become. So
Okay.
it work is in progress. About education, there are keys, private institutions are there. IIT also there, Indian Institute of Technology. So there are so many educational hubs are really, I can say, healthy. Health, about health it is good, about education it is good. There are so many private government schools also, colleges also, Utkal University also there. And about river, there are three rivers flowing: Daya, Kwakhai, and Mahanadi. Mahanadi is the lifeline of our state, really. And about I at last I want to share my thought that Daya Nadi, that also during Osok period, Mauryan period, there was Kaling War happening, and lakhs of soldiers died, and that blood was flowing like blood river. Daya Nadi became the blood river by watching that. Uh,
Actually, sorry for interruption. We are almost out of time. So just I want to know only one question, then we will wrap up the session.
okay,
If
okay,
if someone said to you that what change would you like to see in your city?
okay. Okay, in our city, almost all are good, but I think some are traffic, and
Okay.
some are not wearing the helmets, and we are facing some traffic problems. If I have get the chance, so I have to reduce this.
Reduce. Okay, okay.
Yes,
Yeah, this is a common problem in all cities.
yes, really, and accidents also happening due to rough driving.
Okay, okay. So, ma'am, nice talking to you. Next time we will have another beautiful session. So now
Huh.
wrap up.
But your description describe is your city describe is pending, I think.
Yeah,